set by operational income growth of some 10.9% to 39.2 billion. Now, the Kenya Development Corporation, KDC, has unveiled a 2 billion shilling credit facility aimed at bolstering small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, across the country in collaboration with the Export-Import Bank of India. This new program is designed to empower Kenyan businesses by offering favorable financial terms for acquiring advanced technology, machinery and equipment from India, with the goal of accelerating industrial modernization and fostering sustainable economic growth.
This is for import of machineries, capital goods by the local manufacturing companies in Kenya for these machineries to be imported from India.
Eligibility will be SME manufacturers who are in that space. So anybody who wants to import equipment from India, to expand or start their operations is a potential beneficiary.
And as the government races to transform the transport sector by replacing diesel-fueled vehicles with electric ones,